Mindy here from wellmyway.com. I am a registered dietitian and certified diabetes care and education specialist. I love the kitchen. I love the grocery store. So I'm here today to bring you one of my favorite kitchen combos, which is overnight oats. It's a really quick and easy breakfast, lunch or dinner. I mean, really, you can eat it any time of day. You can be very versatile with the flavors. You can throw in peanut butter and banana, apple cinnamon, a little bit of pumpkin spice in the fall, if that's your thing. Today I'm just gonna do a blueberry overnight oat with some strawberry protein powder. So a little bit of a double berry vibe here today. So I'm gonna show you this. I usually make 3 or 4 of these at a time. So you can really scale this if you're maybe preparing breakfast for 3 people at home. You can make a bunch of these so everybody's got their own to grab in the morning. You can eat it cold or you can throw it in the microwave for about 30 seconds to warm it up and eat it that way. So I like these little Pyrex dishes. They're pretty great for overnight oats, something that's about this size and something that has a lid is what you're looking for. Some people will do these in a mason jar. That works really good too. So I've got my Pyrex dish. I use just old-fashioned oats or rolled oats, we call these too. Steel cut oats won't absorb the water quite as well, so I don't use those for overnight oats. I use old-fashioned or rolled oats. So I'm gonna take a scoop of oats, put that into my Pyrex. Now this scoop here, it's not a measuring cup, right? I have measuring cups. I've got these kind. I've also got these kind that are really cool too, that are like more of a spoon scoop. So you can use those. These come from my First Form Level 1 protein jug. So whenever I finish a jug of these, reduce, reuse, recycle, right? I keep the scoop and then I use it for like oats. I'll use it for rice. I've even got one here in this powdered peanut butter jar too. So that's what that is. This is about 1/3 of a cup serving. If you do a heaping, then it'd be about 1/2 cup serving. And then with my protein, again, today is strawberry level 1. Level 1 is a whey protein powder that's a meal replacement powder. That's the kind you want to use for this type of recipe. You don't want what we call like a post-workout protein. You want a meal replacement protein like this level 1 whey protein. So I'm going to use about 2/3 of a scoop of the protein powder. That goes in. And then water, about 1/2 cup of water. If you like them thinner, use more water. You can always add more, a little harder to take it out. Then you're just going to stir it up. And that's it. Now you can keep it just like this. If you don't like a lot of extra stuff in your food, then you just leave it like that, pop the lid on, and put it in the fridge. In the morning, this is gonna be ready to go. I like some fruit in there. I like a little more texture. I'm gonna use some fresh blueberries. Got about 1/4 of a cup of fresh blueberries in there. And then you could also do things like chopped walnuts, chopped pecans, anything like that would be great. You could do flaxseed in here, chia seed in here would be good too. I am a cinnamon lover. I love cinnamon, the flavor. So I add cinnamon to most of mine, no matter what mix I've already got going on. Cinnamon goes with everything to me. So I'm gonna put in some cinnamon. You can tell I love cinnamon by the giant jar of cinnamon I have here. All right, so that's gonna be my overnight oat for today. Another great way to do overnight oats is a little way I learned from Miss Jenna Fail, who is a First Form athlete and just all around amazing human. Jenna started putting them in empty peanut butter jars, which is brilliant because is a peanut butter jar ever really empty? No, you've always got some leftover, right? So when you use this as your container for your overnight oats, in the morning, when you go to stir it up, that peanut butter has absorbed some of the moisture and just stirs right into there, so you get really good peanut butter flavor, and you get to reuse a container that was otherwise going into the garbage. So I highly recommend trying that overnight oat mix in an empty jar of peanut butter. If you've got one that's ready to go, love it. So, so good. All right, guys, well, that's it for today. I hope that you try these overnight oats. And if you find some flavor combinations you love, be sure to let us know. You can find us on Facebook at Well My Way. You can find us on Instagram, Be Well My Way, and always on our website at wellmyway.com. Again, if you're looking to work with a registered dietitian and you are ready to make some changes, we are ready to help. We're here to help people who really need it and really want it. So check us out, wellmyway.com. Thanks for watching.